How to share Messenger QR code. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Messenger QR code. In order to share your Messenger QR code, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, ensure that your Messenger application is up to date to the latest version. If not, you will need to go to the Google Play Store or any other app store available on your device and then update it. Now once you have done that, open your Messenger application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the menu page. Now in this page at the top right, you will be able to locate the QR code icon. Simply tap on it to view your profile QR code. In this page, now you will be able to see the share button below your QR code. Now you will need to simply tap on the share button and then select the application or platform through which you want to share the code. You may also select the mail, Gmail, WhatsApp or other social media platforms. Or you may also copy the link by simply tapping on this copy option at the right side of your link, and then copy it to your device and share it later. Also, when someone scans your QR code, it will open a chat with you directly in the Messenger. So this is how you can share Messenger QR code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.